Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Chemistry Live UGPG. So today we'll be talking about carbenes. So this is in accordance with NEP syllabus. So I have a simple message for you guys. Please think for innovation, be creative, learn everywhere, anytime and help to learn others. So let's talk about the topic carbenes. So let's first define what is a carbene. Carbene is a neutral molecule where carbon atom is covalently bonded to two monovalent atoms or groups, and carbon contains one pair of unshared electrons of a transient existence. So that means the carbon atom has a pair of electron and it is bonded to two different atoms, and it is a electron deficient species. So hence carbene fragment contains only 6 electrons in total, and it is of electron deficient in nature. So example of carbene is CH2, that is called methylene carbene with a pair of electron, and dichlorocarbene CCl2 with a pair of electron. So these carbenes are of two types, triplet carbene and singlet carbene. So this is the structure. So when uh, both the electrons are in two different orbital, that is called a triplet carbene, and when the both the electrons are in one orbital, that is called, and it is electrons are paired, then that is called singlet carbene. So this singlet carbene is called, singlet state is called carbene, and this triplet state is called the biradical. So singlet carbene example is CCH2, and it is sp2 hybridized, and electrons are paired, and shape is band structure, bond angle around 103 degree. And the example is methylene carbene, that is diamagnetic in nature due to the pairing of electron. The triplet carbene, the both the electrons are unpaired, and it is sp hybridized. Shape is linear, bond angle 180 degree, and example is methylene carbene, paramagnetic in nature. So when we talk about the stability, the triplet carbene is more stable than the singlet carbene. So the triplet carbene is more stable than singlet carbene. So in triplet carbene, electrons occupy different orbitals. So the electronic repulsion is very less. So let's talk about preparation of carbenes. So from chloroform with OH minus ion or in alkaline medium. So CHCl3 chloroform react with OH minus ion, giving rise to CCl3 minus plus water, and this CCl3 minus will lose one Cl minus, so giving rise to dichlorocarbene CCl2 with a pair of electron. The next is photochemical decomposition or pyrolysis. So from diazomethane, so it will, this is the structure of diazomethane, CH2 minus N triple bond N plus. So it will lose one molecule of nitrogen, giving rise to carbene. Similarly, cation, if you heat it, so this will lose one molecule of carbon monoxide, and it will give rise to carbene. Then reactions of carbene. First is addition reaction. So this carbene is added to the double bonds, giving rise to a cyclic derivative cyclopropane. Then it can undergo insertion reaction, RH plus carbene CH2, 2 electrons, so it gives alkanes RCH3. And the order of reactivity of various carbenes are CH2 greater than CHCl greater than CCl2 greater than CBr2 greater than CF2. And if we talk with the bonding of metals, so singlet gives Fischer type complex with metal, and the triplet carbene gives Schrock type complex with the metal. So please subscribe to our channel Chemistry Live UGPG. For class 11th and 12th, this is the channel Foundation Chemistry AV. So this is a simple step towards e-learning, making life better. Thank you all for learning.